He's going to land the airplane immediately following on official control. And just before touchdown, Rob Holland will execute an aileron roll. Let's watch now as Rob sets up
This guy's
the upright flat spin to land. Here he goes.
Oh.
There's the flat spin, folks. Now imagine, if you will, trying to land an airplane out of a flat spin. Watch now as Rob Holland flawlessly executes this move. This is a landing like no other. Watch now for the roll.
Oh, the building's in the way.
Here's the pitch. There's the roll.
Are you
What do you
serious?
think, Luke Air Force Base, Mr.
He just did a roll.
He flipped and landed
Yeah,
the plane.
that's awesome.